So I was at Perth train station on the 15th of September to see the London North Eastern Railway service and just to see Perth train station in general. I've never been here and it's a place I've always wanted to come. And first of course was 1A21, the 1559 turned up at 12:04, London North Eastern Railway service to London King's Cross and Inverness. And then the lead was 43313 and in the rear was 43206, and this was on the days it was diverted to the West Coast Main Line, so it was going to Carlisle, then across to Newcastle. And then this was 1T77, the 1206 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Aberdeen with 43140 bringing up the lead, and then 43150 in the rear. Then lying dead beside them was 43037. Then here we have 172418 and 158732. And then finally 43176 doing his part of the environment. And then here's just some of the shots I got of the station.